Okay, today you better like and subscribe, comment down below, and give us a big thumbs up. Get this video to 30,000 likes. Come on, we're doing a Nerf, two-man Nerf war. Come on, let's go.
Okay, guys, we just teleported back to the room. So we're going to pick out our Nerf guns. See you there. Okay, we just teleported to the Nerf guns.
Where's the pistols?
We're looking for Nerf guns. We'll
Right here.
We'll see you guys whenever we pick out our Nerf guns.
Now do I go out here?
Yeah. Come, Gracie.
Ready.
Ha.
Okay, Chris.
Okay, guys, we're gonna go find them. So we got axes. We need to find someone. We need to find someone. Gotcha. You're dead. Lay down until the match is over. Lay down until it's over. We need to find someone else. Yeah, you're dead, Gracie. Lay down. Now lay down. Yes, we have victory. What in the world?
Suck at videoing. Xbox is later. Okay.
Go.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.